just walking around and I saw this monk kind of wave at him, and then he said, he kind of like, oh, come here, come here, come here. So I sat down with him, and then he gave me these 2 bracelets. Anyway, quick update here in Sarajevo. I like the city. It's pretty chilled, quite vibrant, especially in certain areas. There's lots of bars and restaurants. And then there's an old town. It's a mix of culture as well, kind of Ottoman, Turkish, which is nice to see. Provides you with a lot of variety in terms of what you eat. Food, for example, yesterday, me and Hernan that I was climbing with yesterday, we dropped by the kebab shop. It was very nice. I enjoyed the meal so much. Might go there again this afternoon. As always, I am staying at a hostel here in the city. It was the cheapest I found for this particular date that I'm staying in. Yeah, it's so nice to kind of go back to comfort of a bed, you know, and this quietness, some air conditioning, especially in this hot temperature. It's nice that I managed to climb as well, as I mentioned earlier with Hernan. Yesterday we went to this very close climbing spot in the city. It's pretty cool. We just walk into the park and then suddenly there's huge climbing spots, you know. I'm only gonna be here for 3 nights. I'm thinking of extending a little bit longer. If not, I'd probably cycle straight over to a place called Blagaj, because Hernan wants to check it out, so it'd be cool to do some more climbing, at least with someone that I know that I could climb with. Because at the moment, without Hernan, I'd be kind of turning up into these climbing spots without knowing whether I'd be able to climb or not. Because initially I was thinking, okay, maybe I should skip Blagaj. I'll just go straight to Banja Luka. The ways, the directions kind of opposite, so I felt like maybe I'll just go straight north rather than going to Blagaj. But now that Hernan wants to climb there, then I'm more likely to go there as well in the next few days. I don't know, we'll see if our schedules kind of match. I'm gonna try walk around some more and then see some of the landmarks as well, take some videos, pictures, make the most of it. Second day of climbing here in Sarajevo. So I'm just about to meet Hernan in his hostel. So yeah, I can't wait. Quite excited. Got my bag. Got my bag. A rope. How are you, man? Yeah, very good, thanks. Have you been to the bazaar yet?
Yeah, I was.
Yeah. This looks so delicious. 11 mark. I thought it was quite expensive for what it is. It's just like bread with a bunch of sugars with Nutella. Oh my god, so good. I was thinking of buying ice cream earlier, but I felt like, I don't know, a bit unhealthy. This is unhealthy too, but this is delicious. So, just about to head over to this shopping mall called Important Center. And the reason why I'm going here is because Bill has this grand opening of their shop, first time in Sarajevo. Quite big because it's the very first proper climbing shop that's going to be opening in this city. Obviously they sell climbing gears and everything in the sports shops, but this is the first proper one. So obviously with the climbers community, they know about it, they talk about it, so pretty much everyone's going to come here. So me and Hernan are going to check it out. So I met one of the climbers already and he directed me up here somewhere.
What drinks?
This drinks that they're offering here?
Yeah.
Okay, I might get some. Hello. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Mind if I help myself with some drinks?
please.
Thank you. Oh, we got.
Anything for you?
Might want to try this juice. If that's okay.
This
Yeah.
one. This is strawberry.
Yeah, amazing.
Okay. Tamam, çarşı.
Thank you very much. What was this for?
It's to bail, you know. So you put it through the ring, and you can lower down from this one. Then when you're in the ground, you take it like this, and you recover this one.
It can get you down, all the way down?
You know, this one, when you're going down,
Okay. And then you rappel from here?
rappel from here.
Okay.
And right next to it, you have 7A. Called,
That's the one you tried there.
I think around 6-7 years after the climbing started here in Bosnia, that was the hardest line in the country.
What was his name again, the guy with the Porsche?
Sanya.
Sanya.
Yeah.
Sanya. He said it's like the classic.
Yes,
the
it's a
classic.
benchmark. It's really like lot of people, even from France, from I don't know, Italy.
So I've now checked out of my hostel, and because Hernan and I want to do another climb in the river, not the river, but the river crag, as you can see here. So I've decided to stay a night on this park because I've seen there's a river on that side. I may not be able to camp over there because it might be flooded right now. But I've seen quite a few areas where there's chairs and tables and covers. But it's a beautiful spot. This is where we've been going in the last 2-3 days for climbing.